Hey, it's me, Stevewb, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about the color settings on the DJI Osmo Pocket and which one you should record in. You have the normal mode, which is just your normal Osmo color, and then you have the d-cinelike, which is kind of like a log profile or a flatter profile. And we're going to shoot some footage in both, and then we're going to color grade the log footage or the d-cinelike footage and compare it to the normal mode and see which one is better and which one will look best for you. So without any further waiting, let's get right into it. Alright, so tell me which one you think looked better. Did you like the d-cinelike color graded, or did you just like the GoPro normal? Which one would you prefer to use in your videos? I would say, like, if it's just run and gun shooting at the amusement park or filming your children, just go normal. But if you're trying to get that cinematic look and you're trying to get those bold colors and really draw attention to your video, well then I would say do d-cinelike and color grade it, because it gives you so many more options and you can set so many different more moods by color grading it the way that you want to. So if you like this video today, leave a like. If you like my channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments, leave them down below. Thank you for watching. I'm Stevewb and I'm out.